Yujutsu, who was on the side of Kauravas, the step-brother of Duryodhana, joins the Pandavas. Yujutsu, subtle meaning behind the Sanskrit word is one who is moving towards battle with great enthusiasm, utsuk, fight with enthusiasm. That becomes possible if you are on Pandava side. Your fight is going to be purposeful. In Kaurava side, it is a focus on sublimation. Any hero, when he dies, he is going to get in Viragati. He will be sublimated. So that's all subtle points behind people who die on this side, people who die on the other side. When you do repair work in your house, then so many instruments are brought to repair one part of your house. When you have repaired it, you throw those instruments also. They are not needed. Or they stayed to be utilized in another stage. So some heroes die quick, some heroes wait to die later, on both sides. But behind all this, dharma is being led to its victory. Self-realization is realization of the self, realization aham brahmasmi.